The pipes that deliver water into your home from the public water main, called service lines, could be a source of lead in drinking water if they are made of lead. Your water provider may be in the process of replacing those lead water service lines if you have them, but there are still steps you can take to reduce lead in your home tap water. After the lead service lines have been replaced, run water through your open faucets for at least 30 minutes. Doing so helps prevent exposure to lead and other particles that may have been knocked loose into your existing household plumbing from the construction on your water service. After running water through your open faucets, remove and clean the faucet screen, also known as an aerator, to remove any particles that were caught. There are two things you should consider doing after the lead service line is replaced. 1. Lead particles can remain in your home's water pipes for some time, even after a lead service line has been replaced. Consider installing a water filter certified to reduce lead on your home faucets. Look for filters that are tested and certified to NSF ANSI Standard 53 for lead reduction and NSF ANSI Standard 42 for particulate reduction, Class 1. 2. Consider locating and replacing the older plumbing, including faucets, in your home because portions of those items could be made with lead that could enter your home's tap water. Start by making a list of every faucet you use for drinking, making baby formula, cooking and preparing food, brushing your teeth, or even giving to pets. Was the faucet installed before 2014? If the answer is yes, it means it may contain lead and you should consider replacing your faucets. To be safe, if any of your faucets were installed before 2014, think about replacing them. So as the work to replace supply lines to your community continues, remember, you too can do something about lead in your water. Reduce exposure to lead for you and your loved ones. Know your water. For more tips on reducing lead in your water, visit michigan.gov/knowyourwater.